Hey, what's going on, everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another cryptocurrency video. Today, I wanted to show you my live trade here where I'm up over 450%. I was up actually over 550% at the most on this trade, and I'm going to be closing out the position right here live. We're going to go ahead and put in the limit close here on this position and close this out right now with all of you here as we speak. So just going to go ahead and put in the price here, and we're going to go ahead and close everything right now live. And there we go. It has been locked in. We just locked in a massive profit here on this trade. I'll go ahead and show you my trade history as well, so you can see a little bit more about what I did here. And actually, this is all going to be easier to show you on my Twitter, where I actually kept everyone updated live on these positions. So initially I was up a lot on a short, and then I had to close out of that pretty fast because we got a pump right when we returned back into the highs of around 39,000, almost 40,000. And when I made this trade right where I was up about 50% pretty quick, which is already very impressive, I decided that, I was going to take those profits, and I saw some weakness and I went right back short. And that is what led to the trade that we just closed here. I was up over 400%. Well, I stuck to my instinct and the fact that I thought we were going to see a big market drop. And to be honest, we could see a move down to 35, 34, 33, even 32K, possibly even 30K in the next few days. But, with this type of trade, when you're up this much, you have to close it out at some point and lock in those profits. And that's what I decided to do here, all on bit.com. This has literally been my favorite exchange to trade cryptos with since I've started trading cryptos. And I really like how they manage their margin. They have something called unified margin. And if you would look back on when I was doing my trade, right, you have your initial margin and your total maintenance margin. So if you would have looked when I was in my trade, I was actually at pretty low levels, right? And at the most, I was at about 25% on the maintenance margin. So I still kept the actual maintenance margin pretty conservative, even though this was a very high margin trade. I backed it up with enough assets that it was still relatively low risk of me getting liquidated. And as you saw, that led to me, in fact, catching the entire move back down. So literally what I did there was I basically saw the market top out over here at around 39,920, 930. And, we did see a massive spike. We saw that buying volume. This was actually the initial move that I'd copped to the upside, right? And when I saw starting to fall back down, and I saw that we were not able to even get up into the high 39,900s, I realized that we're most likely going to see a bit of a drop. Now, to be honest, I wasn't expecting this much of a drop overnight, right? I literally made a 450% plus trade, basically a 500% plus trade overnight. So I wasn't expecting it to drop this fast, especially for Bitcoin, but this was a very big drop for Bitcoin. And it happened even faster than I expected. And like I said, we could still see some more downside here. But with this type of leverage trade, it is always good to take profits when you're up. And so that's what I did. So basically, what I did is I entered my position around this 39,600 level. And I put a stop actually at the 39,930, just in case we did get a breakout, because there was a possibility of that, but it just seemed less and less likely. And lo and behold, we got that massive drop, just constant selling for several hours straight. And we're here at this 36,400 level. We actually did go a little bit below 36,000 on this move. And like I said, right, we could still definitely see more downside ahead. But I just wanted to go ahead, lock in the profit, close the trade live for all of you, and also show all of this that I'm doing on bit.com, which, like I said, literally my favorite exchange. This has led to me making a massive profit here. I really, this was a pretty easy and safe trade to do because their unified margin system is so good. That's actually an option that they have, is their unified account, right? So the margin is unified. You're allowed to do cross margin trading, which makes it really easy to manage everything, and in my opinion, much less likely to get liquidated or anything like that. So if you want to make huge winning trades like this one, make sure to check out bit.com. I'll be leaving a link to them in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay safe and have a great day. I'll see you next time.